What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Ham. Welcome to Ham on Tues. All right, so today, yeah, man, I'm bundled up, man. It's like 45 degrees out here. We're actually going to meet the group that's going to ride out to Skyline today in Virginia. Your boy not going to ride the whole way, but I'm going to meet him up there and get some pictures, get some video for you all so you can see who's going. It's going to be interesting because it's cold out here. So let's get Platinum started so we can get up out of here. Yes, sir. Check it out. Baby's a little dirty. Woo! Woo! All right, Platinum's ready. Your boy ready. Let's get it. What's going on, everybody? Yeah, man, it is cold out here this morning. Man, my dude got on shorts. Man, it's 45 degrees out here this morning. And we're on our way to College Park to meet up everybody. They said they're either going to be at the Ikea or the WaWa. I don't know which one. But they ride out the Skyline Drive, man. Yeah, that's more like it. Yeah, these people working out, they got on shorts and hoodies. It's cold out here. That's all I can tell you. So I know the road is cold, so yeah, we gotta take it a little easy. You know, not like summertime riding. But at the same time, these Michelins be holding. But yeah, so we're gonna meet Ian. He's sponsoring the ride today. And you all know Ian from Mighty Hip _Moto, the Wednesday night meetup. Yeah, man, so he's having something today, and he's actually going to Skyline Drive. All right, so yeah, we're gonna meet everybody at the Ikea, which is interesting because Ikea didn't want us to use the parking lot anymore, but hey, maybe they let them use it for this reason. Whatever, it's gonna be one or the other. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go out there and let's see who's going on this ride. We may even ride part way with them. I'm not going all the way to Skyline with them today. Got other things to do. Your boy got his homecoming coming up, and y'all know if you've been following me for the last couple of years, I go to my homecoming, man. It's a good time. You know what I'm saying? And I usually put some of that footage up so that you all can enjoy. I'm probably not going to do the same thing this year. But before we even get there, let's get out and meet the group this Saturday cold morning. Let's see who's going to brave the elements. So, you know the deal. Enjoy the ride. Now, in the event you haven't noticed, it's nice and cloudy out here. So it's overcast, so it makes it even colder. Now it's supposed to get up to, I believe 67 today is the high. But y'all know, man, when you ride these motorcycles, if you ever get cold on a motorcycle, you don't warm up. Not while you ride. Yes, sir. That's why I want my motorcycle powered. You're not stuck behind cars that aren't trying to go any faster, not trying to move, and they see you on a motorcycle. But what do? Speed up. It's colder than a winter. Get on this joint! Oh my gosh! Woo! Woo! But they can have a cold one today. And it's going on 9 a.m. Kickstands are up at 8:30. Man, look at this traffic. That's crazy. All because they were unloading their heavy equipment back there. Look at this. And just to let you all know, this is going to be messed up for the rest of the day. Thank goodness this side isn't rubbernecking. Look at this, man. It is 8:58 a.m. Ridiculous. Y'all already know we're not coming back this way. The parkway is jacked up already. Oh my goodness. And some of y'all probably like, how far is that? From Laurel to Greenbelt, Maryland. Laurel, Maryland, Greenbelt, Maryland. Look it up. So these cars right here have a false sense right now. Oh, there's no traffic. They're going to get backed up. It's going to back all the way up to Greenbelt. Alright, so enough geography. I can't wait to see who's going to be out this joint. There's a lot of people saying they weren't going, that they were going, so I'm like, yeah, man. And they all don't know each other like that, so it's going to be an interesting ride. It's going to be a mini DMV as far as I'm concerned. See, that's why I like power, so I can get in and out. I'm trying to get out their way. You know what I mean? Now that was a slow road. Now we're coming to the interstate. Oh yeah, I got 30,025 miles. It's official platinum, a 30,000 mile bike. And your boy put every last bit of miles up here. Hey, we made it. Oh my goodness, check them out. They pull it out. They pull it out. Nice. We're gonna go right behind them. Check them out. That's a nice crowd right there. Like I told y'all, it's gonna be a mini DMV. Yes, sir. So we're gonna ride with them part of the way. Check them out, check them out. That's what's up, that's what's up. Check them out. Yes, sir. Street Soldier, hey, what's going on? All right. Yes, sir. Y'all know we're gonna ride with them for a minute. Let's see if we can get up with them. Check it out, man. The joint is nice. Woo! Woo! Got the leader of the pack right here. What's up? Yes, sir. Yeah, buddy. Check them out, man. Yes, indeed. Now, what's up, Mark? Nice, nice. A lot of these bikers come out to the Wednesday night bike ride. Yes, sir. Woo! Woo! Yes, indeed. Now, if you're in this video, point yourself out. Yeah, that's what's up. And the man that's hosting the end, Mighty Hip _Moto. He's riding this Jixel 1000. All right, man. Y'all know the deal. I just came out to see the bikers off, but your boy about to turn around, go back to the crib. I thought I was gonna actually be able to show you all some of the bikes, but they pulled out kind of early. And maybe I had the time wrong. What a lovely scene, man. First thing on a Saturday morning. So this is not going to be a long video. This video is going to be short, but your boy wanted to come see the bikers off. That's what I'm going to do. And you can see how everybody's dressed. They're nice and warm. Got my man Dom right here. Got my man Merc up here. So yo, man, hope you enjoyed this really short video. And whenever we put a ride out, man, you all gotta respond. Make sure you show up. And this ride is leaving on time, which typically does not happen. Yes, sir. Got young ladies riding too. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look, man. Just let you all know, make sure you buy the magazine Roadster. It's coming out. $25. They're going to Fallen Riders Family. Ian does that every year, so make sure you support. Once the magazine comes up, I'll let you know. But you also can get a digital copy for $5. So I'm going to put the link to that down in my description. I know Ian would give me a hard time if I don't put it out there, man. You get to see the bike from the DMV area. So I'll get that link from Ian and I'll share it. goes from the crew, Platinum, and your boy Hammer. Hey man, we out. Peace.